Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Now this is a smartphone that's going to be released either late in December or early in January 2020, and as you can tell by the name, it's a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite version, which is going to be cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. And although the Note 10 Lite is going to have some similarities with the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, it's also going to have some differences. Now, one of the biggest differences is the fact that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is going to have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and we know this because we now have leaks from the highly reliable leakster OwnLeaks, who has given us nice and clean renders of this smartphone in conjunction with 91mobiles.com. So as you can see from these renders, at the bottom we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's going to be great news for a lot of people that want the functionality of a Note 10 smartphone, but they want the headphone jack as well. Now let's get into some details to make sure we understand what are the differences between the Note 10 Lite and the Note 10. And first and foremost, the Lite's going to be cheaper. It's most likely going to be released towards the end of December or early January 2020. It's going to have a display between 6.5 to 6.7 inches. And of course, it's going to have the hole punch, the signature hole punch design on the top in the middle, just like the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. Now, when it comes to the internals, it actually has the internals of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. All right, it's going to have the S Pen with all the same functions as the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, the flagship smartphones. But inside it, you're going to get the Exynos 9810 processor, which is the same processor on the Note 9 from last year. And you're going to get 6 gigabytes of RAM with micro SD expansion slot as well. And leaks also state, the same leakster OwnLeaks also states that it might actually have 45 watt charging capability, which is going to be fantastic. So as a total package, this phone looks pretty damn amazing. Now, we may not get this phone on the United States side. We might be able to import it, but it's slated to release in India mostly at a lower price point to bring the Note 10 to that market while being affordable. So again, it's going to have the S Pen with all the same functions as the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. It's going to have the headphone jack, gorgeous design, Note 9 internals, the core components. So it seems to be a very solid product. But that's basically all you need to know right now. If I do get some more updates, I'll let you guys know. But let me know what you think. Drop your comments down below and tell me what you think. Would you buy the Note 10 Lite if it was available right here in the United States? And remember, you always have the option to import these products on eBay or something like that. Anyway, drop those comments down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.